And I'm gonna use the vortex again. This one is the paddle.
For the green or blue medal,
How do you call this one?
but blue mat.
Blue
For the
mat, okay.
Velocity Slide.
For the water slides. Yeah, we're going to use this one again. Let's go, let's go. Velocity and Vortex Aqua Slides. So it's like really okay. Long way to go before we can go up there. Just for a few seconds of fun. 1 minute already. Let's go sa mundo. To the third floor. To the third floor. Oh, I feel tired already. And we're here. And we're here. Finally. Maybe I'll use the blue one. Oh yeah! Here we are again! Oh yeah! Here we are again, sorry. Okay, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Ah! See, that's nice. That's it. 3 minutes. Bye bye.